having a great day. I know it's been a long time, but I've been extremely busy as usual. I wanted to show you guys that I have my magazine now that I'm published in, called The Bell Tower, the literary arts magazine for Tyler Junior College that I'm currently attending and majoring in English. It's here, right here. And I will be reading Relationship as I did last time, but I will be showing you that it's actually in here as well. Alright, let's go ahead and begin. Restless nights. Restless nights with a relationship. Restless nights with each other, together, lying in bed, amusing ourselves with humor, telling stories of when we first introduced ourselves, at the opening, in the forest, that night when we found ourselves stranded and lost in a meadow, hoping for someone to give us insight on finding our way out, pouring out our emotions through tears of laughter and of joy. And I messed up a couple times, but oh well. Life will go on. I'm also have 8 other publications as well. If you guys want the links, I can give you those, or I could just read them to you as well. Either way, it's whatever. Um, I'm going to go ahead and read a few of the other ones that I have published. I don't have the magazines; most of them are online. So, like I said, if you guys want the links, let me know. So. And the first one is going to be Governments, and it's published in churches, children's, and churches, and daddies. Online, it's also a website, or it's also a print magazine as well in Chicago. So here we go. Government, giving in to others' plans to deceive their country, overwhelming the people with the media, villing eyes to believe everything they see reported on the news to be true, never revealing whole truths, making promises that aren't kept, expecting the people to always agree, not allowing them to think thoroughly in their decision making. And that's that one. Alright, the next one is called Religion, and it's published as well in the same magazine. Children, Churches, and Daddies, just out of Chicago. Alright, Religion. Recognized by many to be true, except for those who have learned through studying them and found the similarities in each belief, which are to give hope, give comfort and meaning to life, which are all instilled into every man and woman's mind, overwhelming them with rules of stupidity, never allowing them to release themselves from their chains of words that bind them. Alright, and that's Religion, and I have a few more too. Alright, here's another one. This one was published on the Cynic online magazine. It's called Friendship. Alright, Friendship. Forever wandering recklessly together in every endeavor we are intrigued by, elevating each other, never allowing one to fall alone, striving to succeed in everything we do, sharing moments missed while we were gone, hardships of old are long forgotten and forgiven. Our interests may have changed, however we still have each other, preparing ourselves for whatever challenges may come. Alright, and that's the end of that one. And then this is called Artistic. It's called Diamante. It's where you have your first title, or your first line is your title, and then you have 2 synonyms, and then you have 3 synonyms ending in ing, and then you have two synonyms, and then you have two antonyms, and then you have three ing antonyms, and then you have two antonyms, and then one anonym. Or you can do synonym, synonym, or anonym, anonym, or vice versa. Alright, this one's called artistic. Artistic, imaginative, originative, cunning, enticing, beautifying, aesthetic, harmonic, primitive, insipid, driveling, impersonating, bungling, lackluster, simple-minded, maladroit. Alright, and that's all I'm going to read for today. I'm going to try to read some more later on. I've written some new poems called Setting Yourself Free, which is double acrostic, so you have the title on both sides. So you have it on, so it says Setting Yourself Free on one side, and then on the left, and then on the right. So you begin with an S, and then you end with an S too. And I'll actually show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully you guys can see that. Well, I think that's everything. I'm gonna try to make a few videos, hopefully sometime shortly, and I'm gonna cut my list of religions, questions, and other lists as well, just to one each, because it wasn't very effective. I guess I had too many questions in one video. Well, I hope everyone has a great day. This is Believer of Doubt. Bye everyone. Bye YouTube.